faster than that. And pretend to be in the police truck to clear before I could pass, because these motherfuckers want to block the lane. What in the police activity is going on here? He was behind me, but he felt that was that. Look, and he's gonna skip everybody. Look, there you go, and look at this one. He was behind. GMC, and it's an accident. And he like double parks like far off from the curb. My car has a feature where that dude just totally ate that light. Yeah, oh my god, you can't make this up. Oh. Wow. Car. Look at this guy. And he runs the light. JDL 7227. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Risk it all. Risk it all. JKW 1129. And he's gonna run the light. Cars. He like cut him off bad. Gonna say, do you want to update now? Just put install now, and then that's.
There's a lot of stuff to do. It's the weekend. It's, I wanted to get stuff done.
Does he feel better? He got mad because I didn't cut him off. I just merged in. Whoa. Look at this guy's plate. What a scammer. Look at this. Covering whatever letter. Wow. So what's that first letter? Hold on, you gotta see this, guys. I gotta get close for this. Oh damn, of course. Honestly, I should. But damn, this guy just fucking. Right, what's going on here? Oh, sir, I'm arrested. Oh. What the hell? This is plate. Just driving around with no plates. Look. Jesus, man. New York driving. Look at this. So these cars double park. The car's blocking the bus stop, so the bus has to double park. He said, I'm gonna take that. So, the way it is now, I would say I would be upset by it that he could just do that and get away with it. But
Yeah, actually.
Wow. Look. FJS 4101. 4104. Yeah, it would be nice to know you're gonna turn. Sure, don't. Game over here. Wait, go ahead. I go. Now I can go. Because these cars want to be, selfish and dope.
Minutes into it, I was winded and sweating, and I'm like, I can't hold this woman down. I was like, we had a hard time.
Damn, man, this is.